Is this your new stuffed animal?
What's up, guys?
Your little... It doesn't look like camera equipment. Looks like something rock.
Yeah, I'm gonna rain probably.
Hey, bros, what's up? What's going on today?
We're going to Pittsburg.
We go fishing, y'all.
You. Hey.
Hey.
Hey, Andre, what's going on?
My name is Andre.
Oh, good to
Thank
know.
you for joining us. We are heading up north to go fishing in Pittsburgh. We will see you soon.
The nights we spoke with tongues of fire, the days we walked out on the wire. We were young and we were not afraid. The angels whispered in our ears to tell us what the hilltop hears. Behold into the promises we made. When we were young and we were not afraid.
That was giant.
Hello, Eric. How are you?
We're in Pittsburgh. Give me some light on Andre. Give me some light on Andre.
I'm tired. I'm coming like I come.
Oh, this is Southside.
No commentary.
Andre, we're in the Berg, baby.
Yeah, we are.
What are we about? There's nothing here. This is
We're
all.
blinded.
All grades in one building.
I got them all.
Howdy. Oh, hey there. Welcome to Ramblewood. This is our
This is a plug, free advertisement. Ramblewood Cabins and Campground.
campsite for the weekend.
I'm guessing the offices are closed. Oh, there it is.
Good night. He's breaking out the home for the next 3 days. Does the camper have a name?
Joe.
What you doing?
Oh, you know, just starting a fire.
They're both doing fishing.
It's a little cold here. I just wanted to expedite the experience.
Oh, you've caught me here in the Great North Woods, where we're going to be cooking up a meal of moose steak and dehydrated mashed potatoes from Bob's Red Mill. Thanks for joining us. Now, okay. Let's start again. And action.
Well, as you can see, the remnants of this beautiful meal that we just had, we are stuffed. Delicious.
Well deserved after the 3-hour hike to get here. In a car, but... The fine art of fly fishing
Yes, go ahead.
has been refined over many generations. But no one has yet come up with what I have dubbed the Mopper dropper setup.
Wow.
You take a mop fly.
The audience is in shock.
I know, I can feel it across the internet. My phone's already blowing up. Now-
We have no service.
People dog the humble mop fly. It's just a piece of mop material tied to a hook. And they say, oh, well, this is just for catching stockies. Oh, yeah? Well, how come I can't stop catching wild trout using this?
When is the last time you caught a wild trout?
Saturday with you, and then that other time where we met up after work. The Mopper dropper. You heard it here, folks.
Look, what does this mop fly look like? Just lay it down, lay it down, lay it down.
You can go white if you want.
Oh, there's multiple colors.
a beautiful morning here in Pittsburg, New Hampshire. So look at that view.
I've been chasing cars, I've been chasing Mercury and lightning, I've been pressing hard, I've been coming up short. Lately I've been thinking about what's gonna happen with you and I need a new religion, or I need a new life. I've been on the phone, I've been chasing Mercury and lightning, pressing for the deal to close. I've been coming up short. Lately I've been thinking about what's gonna happen with you and I need a new religion, oh I need a new life. I swear I've heard the echoes of a voice, like a dream that you feel but you don't remember. I've known it ever since I was a boy, like a word on the tip of my tongue. Whoa.
Situation update.
We are making food.
Alright, thank you. Got the jet boil going. Got Deanna's space age moon food. Pasta.
In a bag. Pasta in a bag. It heats by itself.
Tell
I
us
don't
all
know,
about it.
some kind of wizardry. Sorcery, yeah. I don't know, man.
Gotcha.
It's insane.
Alright. I'm the only one with no fish so far. These boys have been doing well.
I mean,
It's hot.
it's alright.
This a real love, run the length of our veins, as we sit above the miles of pain, till all of our fears becomes anyone's. And from your window I can see a kingdom comes. Hearts will wage war, but in the settling dust, what remains at the end of us? Our skinny fears for our cold resolve.
You got the Eric.
This is a landlocked salmon in Pittsburg here. Beautiful fish. Evening. Ate a flashback pheasant tail. Anyway, pretty excited. It's been kind of a slow day for me.
It's a nice fish.
Everybody falls, cinder and stone.
Alright, finished up for the day here in Pittsburg. Kind of a slow day to start. Ended up with my best wild brown and definitely my best landlocked salmon out here. Just to end the day. And again, I got onto a big brown or two. and Andre had a little landlocked salmon, and then a bunch of wild rainbows. So it's a good day in the Berg. Tell us about the day.
It's a good day.
Good day.
Everybody caught something. Everyone had a good time in beautiful Pittsburgh. Can't ask for more. Just look at it. Look at it. God's nature right here.
You said it,
You don't gotta look too far.
Said
look
it.
at this. Look.
You said it. Look at that.
God made that. How about that, huh?
Huh? Look at those power lines.
Tired. We've been out all day
It's alright.
on our feet.
Happens to the best of us.
Heading back to camp.
Yeah? What are we gonna do?
Gonna have some barbecue pork. Right?
Yes, let's do it.
Better.
We better. What are we having it with? What are we doing?
We're gonna start a campfire.
Are aliens real? Is what we experience in this world purposeful to life in the next? All things we will be discussing here now that we've seen 2 UFO sightings in one night. Like real UFOs. Like I've never genuinely seen something in the sky where I'm like, I don't know what that was.
Yeah.
You know, and
That was wild.
that was weird. Like, we don't know what that was, and it was weird.
Do we have pictures?
We do.
Andre does.
I got a picture. It's a little blurry, but
We'll include a photograph for you YouTube people.
No, can't
The
do.
listeners at home.
No, because
They're gonna shut us down.
Yeah, the government's gonna be like, come knocking on the door, like, where did you get this photograph?
No, but
Where were you in Pittsburgh?
they're all about aliens now, right?
No, no, dude. They're controlling what we know about aliens. Because we know the truth, they're gonna want to shut that down. They're gonna show up.
Yeah.
They're gonna show up. They're gonna knock on our door next day.
they're gonna burn your camper.
Yeah. Mark Zuckerberg is gonna show up, burn down my camper, shoot my dog.
You don't have a dog.
Well, if I had a dog, he'd shoot.
In the metaverse.
He's gonna shoot my metaverse dog.
These are the thoughts we have as we sit next to this fire.
I thought number 1 would always be me. I thought I could be what I wanted to be. I thought I could build on life's sinking sand, but I can't even walk without you holding my hand. I can't even walk without you holding my hand.
Alright guys, it's a little windy. Welcome to Perry Stream. We're up in New Hampshire, almost to Canada. Anyway, we're going to try on this little tiny stream here, see if we can catch some monster fish.
I can't even walk without you holding my hand. The mountain's too high, the valley's too wide. Down on my knees, I learned to say that I can't even walk without you holding my hand. Thought I could do a lot on my own. I thought I could make it all
Howdy, friends. It's day 2 of the Great Pittsburgh Fly Fishing Expo. Expo being just the 3 of us. And so far today, we haven't caught anything. Am I disappointed? Yes. Do I trust that we will catch something? Also yes. So tune in next time.
Fight it, let it fight, let it fight. Don't lose it. Andre, toss me the big net. Just keep fighting it, let it fight.
Like deer to the pool.
Yes, sir.
I'm coming out
On the mop, dude.
Yeah,
On
of
the
course.
mop.
Of course it's on the mop.
What a fighter, still going.
My heart is for your love. Like Jonah from the deep, I'm coming out of my sleep to find the secrets that you keep. Is the only thing worth riding for.
Oh, that's a big boy.
And you draw me out again.
Whoa. That was giant. All right, I'm walking over. I'm gonna walk over there.
We spent the day fishing up on Perry Stream, like a small stream, hoping to get into some wild brook trout. Had no luck. Decided to come back to the salmon hole, and again I caught a nice rainbow. And then I was blessed with this behemoth, definitely personal best on a brown. Just an awesome fish.
Like breakers on the shore, you're knocking on my door.
Got a full send.
Deepest places in you are calling to fountains of my soul.
Hi there. We're just about done wrapping up here. Again, is inside the camper, finishing whatever he's doing in there. And I'm just here enjoying that beautiful view for the last time this year.
Then I'm gonna put thank you Pittsburgh right there.
I'm gonna sit at the welcome table. I'm gonna sit at the welcome table one of these days. I'm gonna sit at the welcome table. Sit at the welcome table one of these days. One of these days. I'm gonna feast on milk and honey. I'm gonna feast on milk and honey one of these days.
Currently we hear a man singing in the distance.
Could be an extraterrestrial man. Or extraterrestrial humanoid.
Let's not assume, right?
Yeah, he's clearly not a man. He's
2022.
not from this planet. What happened? Well, Andre, why don't you tell? You guys,
Yeah, tell your
you
side of
alerted
the
me. I
story.
was the last to know.
Well, here's the thing. Eric was calling me over and saying, "Hey, Andre, take a look at that plane over there." I look at it and I'm like, "That's no plane, Eric. That is no plane." And then I call Geno over and we're both freaking out.
We look at it and it's
We look at it.
It looks, the best way to describe it is like it's like a comet, and but it's just moving really slowly.
And instead of going down, it's going up, sort of.
Yeah,
Or
it's kind of
across.
sort of yeah.
Okay, yeah, I mean,
It wasn't like
it's going like
falling.
sideways, yeah.
And it's huge
Yeah, but up,
V-shaped,
sideways up.
huge V-shaped. What do you call that?
Kind
A
of
tail or something like that.
Imagine if like a plane going through what is it, the sound barrier?
Sound barrier kind of
It was
thing.
kind of looking like that with like the cone.
What if that's what it was?
We would have heard it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
we would have heard it. Yeah. Plus, I mean, it wouldn't be emitting light.
Yeah.
The trail, the cone trail, was like luminescent.
And
And
then
the whole time, Eric is suspiciously nonchalant about the whole thing.
Yeah, he's trying to brush it off. Like
Yeah,
saying, hey, look,
we're literally
it's a
looking at it.
plane.
Yeah, I run in to get my phone to take a picture of it. Eric's just like, oh, it's just a little
No
thing.
big deal.
We're blown. Our minds are blown. Never seen
I
anything
thought it
like
was a plane in the fog, but there wasn't any fog.
Yeah, yeah. The whole time,
So
Eric's
that's-
trying to convince us that it's in a cloud. We're like, there's no clouds. We can literally see all the stars behind this thing.
And the weird thing is when the light of the object disappeared, the luminescence of the cone-shaped tail,
yeah.
you would call it, was
Remained.
still there, remained for a
That's
while.
right. Yeah,
It faded out, but it remained.
yeah.
The way you're describing this is so good.
So
The luminescence
it
of
gets
the
weird. It gets
45
weirder.
degree angle. Yes,
It's
then
weirder. Then
Gennady had to go
I had to go
To the bathroom.
to the
to
bathroom,
the loo.
and I'm walking down there.
Well, let's see, the time has elapsed about 5 minutes
No, a little more than that.
Yeah, like 10 minutes.
Maybe
Yeah.
10 minutes ago.
Okay. from the first event.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe not. Maybe it was 5. Anyway, 5 to 10. So I walked down the hill to go to the bathroom. And over the
Number one, number two.
It was number 1.
Uh,
And over the horizon, which is not,
Over here,
yeah, which is the horizon of like kind of mountains, kind
I
of
don't know if you
mountainy, so
can
it's
tell.
higher than normal.
there's stars. See, that's a star, which you can see. Anyway, continue.
So as I'm walking down, I see over the horizon 3, then 4, then 5 lights moving out. Oh, smoke. Moving out at like a low angle, moving out into the sky, and they were red lights and they were kind of flickering. And I yelled to Andre, or no, you were nearby, right? Eric?
No, you yelled Andre, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
I ran.
Oh, I yelled for Andre because I already knew that Eric didn't believe this stuff.
I got you. That's not.
Call it to yourself. Call it to yourself.
Eric runs down, and now I can see in his eyes that he's kind of freaked out. Like, it's weird. It is weird. And then Andre runs down, and we're like, what is going on?
Then I run over to the nearest campsite and alert the neighbors. Of course.
Of course, naturally. And what did the neighbors say to you?
Well, at first they accused us of smoking weed, but I mean,
Did they really?
Yeah, you didn't hear that?
No, I was down there.
so I offered some, but they.
Oh,
they
come
declined.
on. This is not going to edit that out. Oh, jeez.
No, well, what did they say after that? I was joking.
No, they said it was. They actually saw the first.
the
Or
first
one of the. I think one of them.
What would we call it? Light event first?
Yes.
Luminescent
It's a UFO.
skylight event.
It was flying. It was unidentified, and it was likely an object.
Okay.
It's a UFO.
A lot of things that fly that we can't identify.
Like what?
All
When was
sorts
the
of
last
things.
time you saw something in the sky and you were like, "That's not a plane, or whatever, or a bird"? like literally, Eric. Give me an example of where you're like, "Huh, there's something flying over there. I don't know what it is, and I'm just gonna go about my day." Like, when has it not been a bird or a plane? When has it been something else? You know, maybe the Goodyear blimp once in a while.
Helicopter.
Anyway, this is unique, very unique.
It was a unique lighting.
So
okay,
anyway,
second light event happened.
You know, as odd as it is, I still need to go pee, so I went pee. And Eric continued, or Andre continued to talk to the neighbors.
Yeah.
And that's about it. And then all is now silent.
We are anxiously waiting the next unidentified light event in the sky.
Are we alone in the universe?
No.
Some say yes. Some say no. Maybe we got a little glimpse of something today.
What even is a universe?
I don't believe in the universe. I believe it's all water up there.
Okay.
So update on UFO Watch 2022. We just discovered on Twitter that the same UFO was spotted from Vermont. And we are trying to connect with them right now and see what's the dealio. Hello everyone. Update on Project UFO Watch. As you can see here, Andre is missing after an unmarked black van drove by through the campground. He is no longer here. Oh. Why don't you do it?
So we have an update on the UFO situation. The whole luminescence and the red lights in the sky.
No, we don't have an update.
Okay,
Yeah,
fine,
we don't
fine.
know. That's
Okay,
still an anomaly.
That's still up in the air.
Yeah,
But
I don't know what that is.
so we found out that it is the SpaceX launch of the Falcon 9 from Florida.
Allegedly.